My AEG Lavamat 1250 is stuck on end button flashing 5 times, which suggests it was overloaded/unbalanced. I've turned it off, drained, but can't get it out of this error warning. Have already tried unplugging. Is there a way reset it? Sandra.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years. And currently work for a well-known manufacturer. If you try a spin-only cycle, will the drum actually turn? Regards.
I can't get the machine to do anything. When I turn the dial to spin, it's just still flashing and won't do the spin.
Hi, okay, just had a look at this model and Therese 22 versions of this model. If you open the door, there will be a sticker on there with a product number, PNC, it will start with a 9. Can you post this, but you need to prefix it with an A, otherwise it will get crossed out. AEG A912345678 regards.
A91400242900.
Hi, okay, try this and see what happens. Turn the dial to off, press and hold the top 2 buttons on the left hand row, and with them held and turn the dial 1 click clockwise. Once the LEDs start to flash, let go of the buttons. Then turn the dial 9 clicks clockwise, and now the start and end light will be flashing. Count the number of flashes from each light in between the pause and let me know. Then turn the dial to off, then on, then back off again. Now try a spin cycle and see what happens. Regards.
Followed your instructions, counted start and end once together, then end 4 more times. After off, turn to spin but no response, just end light flashing 5 times as before.
Hi, okay, that error code you have is E51, which means a motor triac fault. What you need to do, if you can, is pull the washer out and remove the back cover. From there you will see the motor at the bottom. Disconnect the wiring block there and then plug the washer back in and see if this clears the code and allows you to start the washer. If so, then the fault will be the motor down to earth. Take it out and heat it up with a hairdryer, as sometimes this clears it. But if still the same after disconnecting the motor, then the control board is at fault, as this is where the triacs are anyway. In this case, the board will need to be replaced to get it up and running again. Sorry, it's not looking like good news, but if you need any more info, just get back to me. Regards.
Please, could you be more specific about the wiring block? There is one with 9 same colored wires all on one wide block. Then there are a couple of blocks with 2 or 4 wires on.
Hi, if you look at the motor on the left hand side, there will be 1 wiring block going to it. It's the longer block with the 9 wires that's the motor wiring block. Just wiggle this out and see what happens. Regards.
Sorry, my faulty computer crashed too. It looks like it's the control board. Could you tell me what the control board is?
Hi, okay, if it's the control board, this is located behind the plastic control panel. It's the part you turn to select what cycle you need. Take the top off and then you can pull the soap drawer out, and from there remove the plastic control panel to access the board from there. Regards.
Okay, cheers, Daniel. Thank you for talking me through this. I'm happy for you to have my 11 pounds, but I hope JustAnswer.com won't take any more. Regards, Sandra.
Hi, you're very welcome. As to the money side, I cannot help on that. You need to contact customer services from your homepage. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.